Hey everyone, okay, so makeup tip. Oftentimes with eyeshadow, then it's not the easiest thing in the world to do, especially for a lot of people, because people oftentimes are not blessed the way that beauty YouTubers are with these gorgeous, huge almond eyes. And eyeshadow can become very complicated. So even though I've spoken about this, I'm going to give you the demonstration. You're going to do this prior to anything else. So before you put eyeshadow on, I just want you to curl your lashes. Now, if you find that your lashes don't stay curled, there are two things you can do. You could apply the faintest coat of mascara first and then curl your lashes, and I mean the faintest. Or you could hold the curler in place for 60 seconds. So I'm not going to wait that long, but it's up to you. So with your lashes curled, what I want you to do is take a tiny amount of mascara, and I want you to just go through the lashes and just apply enough so that they are dark and that you can see every single lash. And make sure you get the end lashes. So right here, this is really important. Okay, so the reason this becomes easy now, or easier to apply eyeshadow, is because people have irritating eyes. So I have this hideous vein that travels right through here, and it looks like there's a crease in my eye where there isn't one. It's really bothersome, and it can be distracting when you're applying eyeshadow. So if you've got a fold here, or your eyes are any shape they are and you find it problem, you now have a guideline. Your lash here, you can now see it's black, it is curled. That is your guideline. This is where you want to take your eyeshadow out to, right here, right to the end. So just give it a shot and try it. Now, before we get too complicated with eyeshadow, because that's the tip, what I want you to also think about is keeping things more simplistic. Sometimes the most simplistic looks are the best. And to give you an example, I'm going to apply a light eyeshadow to the brow bone, and it is completely matte. And I'm just going to smooth it out. And now I'm going to take that over the bulk of the eyelid as well. So this section, or this bit, is very much Bobby Brown, right? You know, a light shade all over the eye. And it's matte. And make sure that right here, you just kind of, you bleed it out to nothing. So, easiest thing to do. Light skin tones, taupe. Medium skin tones, medium taupe. Deep skin tones, burgundy. So I'm going to use a taupe. Actually, I'm going to use a combination of, I'm going to use a taupe. A medium taupe. And all I'm going to do is, the shocking thing is, apply it to the eyelid only, not the crease. And you'll see that just applying a gorgeous flat brown to the eyelid only works beautifully. So just that, right? Just adding just darkening the lid can sometimes be enough. This is how most people used to wear eyeshadow. They would apply it to the actual eyelid. But just to reiterate, you curl your lashes and apply mascara first, the faintest amount. And that is now your guideline. That outer corner is your guideline. So if you do want to go up into the crease here, you can follow the lash line, and then you could take it up into the crease, because you have that last lash line as your guideline. And before that, without the curling and the mascara and the darkening of it, you wouldn't really know, especially on very hooded eyes, where to go. And this will always act as a guideline. I know it's a quick, simplistic tip, but it's a bit like me. It's simplistic and quick. And that is like me. You have no idea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye. Also, just to show you that I've now gone into the crease of the eye using that lash line as my guideline. So you can see that that very final lash hits the outer corner goes in, so it's acted as a guideline. So you can do a more contoured look to the eye if you want to. Okay, I really am going now. Bye-bye.